In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get free credits in Lovable AI completely legally. So the first thing that you want to do is to open up Lovable, click on your profile icon in the bottom left, and then select settings. Here from within the settings, we will go into plans and credits. And now I'm going to explain how this works. Basically, if you upgrade to the Pro plan, click on upgrade here. Sometimes Lovable has these events which give you free credits. So for example, here, the Lovable Advent calendar. Some of these days give you free credits. For example, here you will see a code for the free credits, which is going to be Advent 200 in this case. When checking out, if you click on add promotional code and type the promotional code, which is in our case Advent 200, and if you click on apply, this is going to add extra free credits to your plan. So you will need to purchase this plan, and these free credits will go alongside your purchase of the plan. So that is how you get free credits. Essentially, you will need to have the plan, and if there are any events currently going on from Lovable, then you will be able to claim those credits. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.